Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro. And to do this you will need to open a Google Play Store. Inside find app Microsoft Edge. And install it. When it's ready, you should be able to open it and then begin customization. You can read through instructions if you like. I'm gonna skip it. Here, customize homepage by setting your own wallpaper, showing most viewed sites and showing news feeds. And let's click next. Right here, sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it. Make Microsoft Edge your default browser. And here you can enable or disable data sharing. Now let's open a new website. And as you can see, browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.